there, fellow enthusiasts of Indonesian language and culture. Welcome back to Indonesia di Sekitarmu, brought to you by Bahasa Learning Center. Today, I'm Donna, will be your guide to unlocking the secrets of Indonesians' culinary heritage. We're not just diving into the language, we're taking a tantalizing trip into the heart of Indonesian food. You see, learning about a country's language is one thing, but truly understanding its culture involves savoring its rich and diverse culinary traditions. Think about it. Food isn't just about taste, it tells stories too, and embraces traditions, and speaks volumes about a nation's history and identity. You know, it's incredible how Indonesian food goes beyond the obvious term like goreng or rebus. And did you know that the vast oil resources here have birthed a myriad of goreng delicacies? But let's not stop there. There's a whole world of cooking methods and culinary vocabularies waiting to be explored today. Ready to uncover the artistry behind Indonesian cuisine? Let's go! The first one, we have goreng. Let's take a deep fried journey into goreng. A word that sings with crackling delights like ayam goreng, tempe goreng, tahu goreng. You know what it means? Frying. Just like your favorite fried egg, telur goreng. The land of plentiful oil brings a plethora of goreng treats like telur goreng, cireng, and the list goes on and on and on. The deliciousness. But remember, too much oil isn't kind to your health, so it's wise to balance the indulgence. Okay? The next one, we have rebus. The heartwarming simplicity of rebus. Yes, it's all about boiling, brewing up dishes that warm your soul, and we can think about sayur bayam or soup. You know, this is my go-to comfort food when I'm feeling a bit under the weather. Nothing like a comforting bowl of rebus goodness to lift the spirits, right? Moving on to the third one, we have panggang. Enter the tantalizing world of panggang, the method that grills up scrumptious delights like ayam panggang and ikan panggang. Visualize those sizzling ingredients slowly turning golden brown, wafting irresistible aromas, especially when wrapped in fragrant banana leaves. Yummy. The next one, we have bakar. Let's unlock the mystery of bakar, yet another way to roast or grill. Now this is interesting. Panggang involves a pan, while bakar directly exposes your food to the flame. Savor the essence of satay, ikan bakar, and so many other cuisines. Now we also have kukus, a method that leads to healthier indulgence. The literal steam technique brings out flavors while keeping it nutritious. Compared to the frying technique, of course, dive into the soft delights of bolu kukus, dim sum, and cilok, all teasing with those delightful steamy aromas. Moving on, we have tumis. Quick and healthy. I know. It's tumis time, involving a light saute with just a touch of oil. Mostly used to saute out those aromatic spices. Whip up a quick and hearty tumis sayur, the go-to treat for veggie lovers. And here's the surprise, asap or smoke. I know it sounds funny. Well, this method doesn't just cook. It preserves food with the rich aroma of wood smoke. It's about soaking ingredients in spices and then taking them on a smoky journey, resulting in mouth-watering treats. I'm feeling so hungry now. The next one, we have semur. Let's explore semur, the perfect technique for tender's food. It's about cooking in a rich, flavorsome mix, creating wonders like soy sauce fried chicken. It's the rich, flavorful symphony we all crave. Wow, that's quite a lot. So, terima kasih for joining us in this flavorful journey through the enchanting world of Indonesian cuisine, of Indonesian cooking methods. We've peeled back the layers of goreng, rebus, panggang, bakar, kukus, tumis, asap, and semur. Opening a window into the heart of Indonesian culinary magic. Remember, each cooking method has its unique charm, okay? Showcasing not just the taste but also the vibrant cultural diversity. Whether you're a food enthusiast, a cooking explorer, or a language learner, this insight into Indonesian culinary artistry can help you savor the rich flavors and forge connections through shared experience. Stay tuned for more enriching content as we venture deeper into the cultural wonders of Indonesia, uncovering the hidden gems from different corners of this diverse nation. Don't miss out. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting episodes and language learning resources. For a taste of Indonesia, visit our website at basabasa.id. Sampai jumpa, happy cooking, keep exploring, keep savoring, and keep celebrating the diverse flavors of Indonesia. Terima kasih banyak dan sampai jumpa.